Hey, it's Dan Nickerson, and this is a demo for Search Engine Theme. This has been a pet project of mine for years. I did release a version of it ages ago, and only a few people used it because I never really promoted it. But I've now redone it on Socrates, so it uses the Socrates framework. It works just like the Socrates or Acme or Speaker Theme does. So it has all the same features as that. It's just a different layout, and it's designed to create a search engine. So there are some extra customization features. It also comes with a link directory plugin, which lets you import bookmarks to create data for your search engine. So it's actually pretty neat. So just to show you how it works, I do have a couple of plugins here. All this stuff is available in the tutorials, links to the plugins. But let's just say, for example, I type in the word test. Okay, so it has a live search feature from a plugin that will show you all of the posts that have the word test. If they click on it, we'll go straight to the post. Okay, if I click on search, it'll display it in a search engine like format. So it'll show results 104 in so many seconds, right? And then it has all these different links here. So you'll see here, this is my YouTube channel. If I click on this, it's an outbound link. It'll go to YouTube. If I click on this, it'll show a directory of it'll show the category of everything in the listings. If I click on more info, it will actually go to the interior post that's built inside of this WordPress install. And this is a thumbnail that is automatically generated for the particular post. Now, I don't have a lot of extra options right now to disable thumbnails and stuff. You can hide it with CSS if you want to, but for now they're just automatically generated based on the site. Now, another thing I notice is that this link right here says this link goes to WPUnite, and then this shows WPUnite. Okay. Now, if I click on Amazon, I want to show that this link goes to a direct books link for Amazon, but this only shows Amazon.com as the kind of sample link, just like you would see on the major search engines. Okay. So essentially, this will display a data URL, and then this is what I call an affiliate URL. And you actually have the option in this post or any post to create affiliate links for the things that you upload. So in the listing display, it'll display the main link, right, the company. So say, for example, Elementor is an example here, right? Here's a recent post for, here's Elementor, okay? So I put in Elementor as an example, and I'm going to click on Elementor. So on the listings, you'll see it shows elementor.com, correct? But if you click on this, it actually is my affiliate link. So look in the lower left, you'll see it's WPUnite, go to Elementor, okay? And this is links to my affiliate link, but it's using the thumbnail from Elementor. Does that make sense? So the data URL displays a thumbnail, and it displays this link here, but the affiliate URL goes to whatever link you want to control. And this is all controlled inside of the post. So I click on more info and click on edit post and scroll down. You will see the custom fields for the affiliate URL and then for the data URL. So that, if you know affiliate marketing, and this obviously gives you tons of options to create affiliate product blogs and search engines and things like that. So that's how that works. To show you a little bit more, if I go to visit site and tutorials, this is just a page template that actually uses a custom shortcode for a search box. So if I click here, you will see that is just my big search shortcode, and I have a couple of popular searches that are in here. You can do other stuff you want, and then some text. It's nothing fancy. I'm just using the classic editor as well. The neatest thing about this particular search engine theme, and the way I originally envisioned it, was I wanted to create link directories. So I had a link directory plugin that I made, and what this does, it allows you to import hundreds, try not to do thousands, bookmarks and create an instant site. So as an example, if you exported your Chrome bookmark file right now to your download folder, you could choose file, you could import that bookmark folder, and it would create a post for every link and every category of your bookmarks. So if you have all your bookmarks neatly organized, as an example, if you bookmark, I used to have this bookmark file, I wish I still had it somewhere. I paid a guy on Fiverr like $20 to bookmark the top 500 websites, shopping websites online, and categorize them by like shoes and electronics and clothes and so forth. So that bookmark file was very clean and it had organized by categories. I simply chose it, uploaded it, and it made a WordPress site with 500 posts all organized by categories. It goes to the link that's in the bookmark file and it pulls the title and description. It uses the description as the content of the post, and it uses the title tag as the title of the post. Does that make sense? So it's a very neat way to populate a WordPress site using different content. And as an example, if I go here to my tutorials page, I give a quick example of how you can do it even just using a custom HTML file that you create. So if you scroll down here to my tutorials, you will see here that this is a bookmark file. It has a category name, which would be your category so for example, if I was to take this file and click on this and copy it, I've already done this, so I put it into Notepad right here, and you can see it says category name, and then it has Google, Amazon, YouTube, and that's it. So it has to be this exact format. But if you wanted to, you could change this to say social sites, right? Social networks. And I'm going to click on save, right? I changed it to social networks. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to choose file. And this is my bookmark file. Okay, now I'm going to import it. And what this is doing, it's going out to YouTube and Google and whatever the third site it was, and Amazon. Sorry, they're not really social sites. But it went out and processed those 3 bookmarks. It gave them a post ID and it added a post for each of the titles. Now if I go to posts, you're going to see that they're in here with the category of social networks. If I go to any of these posts, individual posts, you're going to see it has YouTube. It grabbed the description from YouTube in their meta title and added it to the post here, as well as a link to the site, an extra link, and there's a link here too. And then it grabbed the thumbnail as well. So in just a few seconds using that system, I was able to generate 3 posts on the site. So you can imagine if you had hundreds of posts, you could do that. So if you just use this, say you're a member of 100 different affiliate programs, you could bookmark all of those and organize them, and you could create an affiliate portal for your site using this. If you wanted to create a local niche directory, you could go bookmark every restaurant in your town, every hotel in your town, say every doctor, every dentist, and all that kind of stuff. Just bookmark those, export the bookmark file, upload it, and you've got a local site directory for all of your local businesses. So then you can do all kinds of other stuff with that, obviously. So that, in a nutshell, is how Search Engine Theme works. It's built just like Socrates. It has all of the same features and all the same customizations in here. The one thing that I did, which I haven't bothered to have the programmer add in yet, is on this particular one in additional CSS, I like this max width of 90% on here. So I get the code that's on the tutorial. If you drop this in, you'll have a 90% width like I do. Obviously you can change it to 95 and it makes it even bigger because most search engines are full screen. So I add that manually to the additional CSS, and in the next update I'll maybe add that code so you can just do it on yourself. But it has all the same color features, header features, customization features as Socrates, affiliate footer links, and all the other stuff. And that, I think, is the general overview of all this. But I think it's pretty neat, and there's a lot you can do with it. And of course, in plugins, I did mention plugins. I've got open external links in new window. I've got Classic Editor, my favorite analytics plugin. Oh, I forgot to mention Press This. Jeez. I've got Search Meter, which keeps track of what people are searching for and adds the recent searches thing. I've got Ajax Live Search. So all of those links will be in the tutorials on here as well. I'll click on this because I can't help myself. By the way, SiteGround is my favorite host, so I mentioned that in the video. There'll be a link to SiteGround. I highly recommend SiteGround. I wanted to mention Press This. So let me go to something. This is just so cool. Okay, so if I go here to Bookmarks bar, if I go to Link Directory, Add More Links, Okay, now that I've done this, this allows you to add links from your browser. This is so cool. So if I click on, I'm going to take add links. Of course, I already had it on there. Crap. There's add links right there. I drag this to here. Now I need to press this plugin as well. This is add links. Now I want to show you, let's just say, for example, I wanted to go to, let's pick a website here. Okay, let me just go to WPUnite. All right, so I'm going to open up WPUnite in here. So there's WPUnite, okay? If I just go here and highlight this, I highlight any text I want and I click on add links. And when I do that, it will actually copy the highlighted code and put a visit link site into this. And it would let you choose a thumbnail if you want. So I'm going to choose that thumbnail and I'm going to do that. And if I want to, I can categorize it into listings and click on publish. And that post is now on my site. Make sense? So that's a really quick, it doesn't format it exactly, but you get the idea. So you can press this to anytime if you just have this, anytime you want to bookmark something onto your directory, you can just click on the add links and it will allow you to bookmark it. So that's a neat feature. All right, so I've gone way too long and I want to finish up. I said 5 minutes, I think I'm at like 12 or so. But that is Search Engine Theme in a nutshell, and I'll do more videos later probably if necessary. So hope you enjoyed it, and it's available in the WPUnite members area now.